All right, guys, let's take a look at this example problem number 12 in the pulley, lever, and inclined plane study guide problems. So you have your same, sorry that this overlapped a little bit here with the lever, number 12, the lever example, and AMA, but I put AMA up on top here. The equation for AMA is always force of resistance divided by force of effort. So in this case, remember with the lever, we're always measuring from the fulcrum, and here, right here in the middle, is your fulcrum, okay, or the pivot point. So in this case here, you're measuring your effort, how much force it takes to move this. Okay, here's your effort to move this down, and it says that your force of your resistance, excuse me, I'm going backwards on this. Here's your resistance, here's your effort, but it says that your force of resistance is 32 pounds, and that's what's going to go up on the top here, 32 pounds. And our force of our effort that it takes to make this rod pivot is 16 pounds. So we divide 32 by 16 and we get an actual mechanical advantage of 2. And again, I want to emphasize to you that when we're talking about actual mechanical advantage, we're always comparing forces. And in this case, the forces are measured for you in pounds. Okay? Sometimes they're measured in kilograms. The actual unit of force is newtons. So you could have pounds, kilograms, or newtons. Okay? But we have the AMA as 2. The IMA is where you're measuring the distances, and for a lever we're measuring the distance from our effort, force to the fulcrum, and distance of our effort. Here's our equation for IMA, ideal mechanical advantage, is the effort distance, and that's the E stands for effort, and your resistance distance divided by effort distance divided by your resistance distance. So our effort distance is 5.5 inches. And our resistance distance, again, this is measured from the distance, from the resistance to the fulcrum, and that's 2.25. So you take your calculator and you divide 5.5 divided by 2.25. And you get 2.44. Your percent efficiency is, again, your AMA. I put percent E for efficiency equals AMA divided by IMA. So we would get AMA is 2 divided by 2.44. And that gives us 0.8. We'll round that off to 0.82. We're going to multiply by 100 to turn that to a percentage, and that would give us an efficiency of 82%. Hope that helps you out. Make sure that you do lots of all your example problems with this. Make sure you ask lots of questions. You can do this.